Hello, what is up everyone, RL57 here, back with yet another Diecast car video, and today we have the Hot Wheels Mercedes-Benz 300 SL back in another color, and obviously this is number 3 out of 10 from Hot Wheels Retro Racers, and number 27 out of 250. By the way, this is from the B case of 2022. By the way, this is not the Super Treasure Hunt. It's originally a Super Treasure Hunt from the B case of 2022, but this one is not a Treasure Hunt. And also available for the C case of 2023. And yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. I think I might have said B case 2022. I'm sorry if I said that. It's actually 2023. Here we have the what do you call that? The Mercedes 300 SL. Yeah, so this is the 300 SL in this bright red, and yeah, kind of looks like an Among Us red, to be honest. Yeah, this is a pretty nice car in color. Obviously, this feels like a Goodwood type of design. When they like do races there, like you have some pretty good designs which kind of remind me of this, which yeah, pretty cool. Let's take a look at the car itself. Has this vintage design which I kind of like, obviously. Yeah, at the rear fender right here you have the Bilstein text right there. Obviously you have chrome disc wheels which are pretty nice. I love that it matches the whole car itself. You have a number 2 at the side. I don't know why it's cut it down. They like cut it down. Obviously it's because of the base, but it's fine, I guess. Hot Wheels right there. They could have made at least the racing number a bit higher, I guess. Like put it up a bit, I guess, maybe. Here's the front. Obviously it has no headlight details. It just yeah, you can kind of see the headlights, but they're not actually colored right there. You have the front grille, but sadly the what do you call that, the Mercedes logo is not actually colored. So yeah, many people won't be seeing the Mercedes logo up from far, I guess, because it's quite blended in with the color of the grille. But yeah, number 2 on the hood, quite a big hood obviously, and you have some black accents on the side right here, some black stripes, I guess. Moving on to the back, you don't have rear light details, and well, instead you have the Mercedes logo right there. It says 300 SL at the bottom right there, over there. And yeah, let's take a look at the base. The base is also in red, which matches the car, the body of the car, of course. Mercedes-Benz 300 SL, 2019 and 2020 Mattel, and made in Malaysia. Yeah, before you ask, obviously this does not have opening doors. Don't ever think about it. It does not have opening doors. Obviously it's a $1 mainline. It wouldn't have one. But yeah, this is basically the second of the mainline, I think. I think it's the second launch from mainline. The first launch was from the IWC 1001. You might remember that, in gray. I did a review about it. Go check it out on my channel. And now it's the red one, which is quite cool. But it kind of reminds me of the Car Culture version, which was in a darker red, from Jay Leno's Garage. I didn't obviously buy that set, nor the car itself, because doesn't really quite catch my eye much. But yeah, it is a pretty nice casting, not gonna lie. And yeah, that is it for today's video. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.